And we got the sign. We're gonna try to see if we can get people, see if they horny. She's smiling. Yeah! Yeah! Let's go! My guy right here in this old ass car. HONK. Yeah! This is a lot of horny people out here. I knew I was the only one. That's why I did this idea. Yeah! I knew she was horny. Don't crash. Yeah! My God, he gave me a holders. Give me a rose. Thank you, man. You have a wonderful day. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you. Here you go. You know what I'm saying? Here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You know what I'm saying? Have a nice day.
You too.
Can't see it. They got posters here. Excuse me. They got posters here.
Sorry?
They got posters here.
I don't understand you. I'm sorry.
Oh, you don't speak English?
Yes, I think it.
Oh, they got like big posters here.
Big poster?
You don't know?
I don't.
I'll just keep it. Thank you. Why do I always talk to somebody who don't speak? Oh, they do. Oh, I'm looking for the same poster. They got a white one? Oh, right here. Damn. I need some markers. Where the markers at? I found the poster.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
I found it.
And you fast.
I'm fast? Thank you. It's 3 though. I don't want 3. She pointing at 3. I don't want 3. What the fuck?
It's all the same price.
No, it's not.
So, YouTube?
No, this Pornhub. What's your name?
Jalen.
These will be good.
For what?
A sign. A big sign.
Big sign? You do a little bit more.
More. I only got $1 to my name, so that's why I'm trying to make
Dollar your name with Yeezys on?
No, these not mine. These actually my mother's.
Damn, word to your mom. She has nice taste.
Thanks. I think I'll just go with these. I only got 25 cents in my account.
I got 2. Let's see if we can get 2.
How you doing? Chilling, man. You on TikTok? Bored as hell, man. Yeah. 186? Damn. I thought she was gonna you keep change.
Who's there?
You too. Oh, don't hit me. Alright, if y'all don't know what I'm doing, y'all probably know by the title, but I didn't say nothing. You know what I'm saying? But basically what I'm about to be doing is bro, back up. Big sign, so I'm about to be playing HONK. We finna see who horny today. You know what I'm saying? I woke up kinda horny. So we finna see who else woke up the same way. So basically, we gotta be making a big poster and just seeing who horny. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna sit on the street. Bro, what the fuck? We're gonna sit on the street, you know what I'm saying? Just see who else feel the same way I feel. You know what I'm saying? How should I do this poster? I can't mess up either, y'all. No, I'm gonna do the outline in black. Do the outline in black. Oh my God, is this too big?
Yes, that's way too big.
Can you erase it?
Look it over.
That's cool. Stop, bro. Stop, bro. That's how you spell honk.
Don't write it.
Huh? Oh my God, he gave me a holders. Give me a rose. Thank you, man. You have a wonderful day. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you. Live gave me a rose. Wow. I don't know how to take that though. Is that gay? Should I ask him if he horny? No, I'm gonna let him pass. Is that gay though, y'all? Am I gay for taking a rose from an older man? It's good. It's good. Can you read this? We're gonna find a place to, you know what I'm saying? See who horny. I don't know. All right, you know what I'm saying? We got the sign. We're gonna try to see if we can get people, see if they horny. All we gotta tell y'all, man, this video I did is by Gideon, man. So shout out to him, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, yeah. Oh shit. We got one person who horny. Yeah. Aha. Yeah. See, people is horny out here today for real. Yeah. This side dead right here. Get a close up on this kid, man. Honk that again. Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of people horny out here, you know what I'm saying? So, oh yeah, we got a lot of people coming this way. Nobody horny? Yeah, we got one right there. Yeah. Let's fucking, oh, we gotta, I ain't gonna lie, we gotta get over here. She's smiling. Yeah! Oh shit! That's a see that. Yeah! Ah! Let's go! Ah! My guy right here in this old ass car. So no, that's not an old car. Fucking go, bruh. Let's go. Let's go, bro. We need more people to come. I can't go. I love this shit. I really love this shit, man. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below if you horny. Man, shout out to Gideon, man. Honk. Yeah! Let's go, man. It's a lot of horny people out here, y'all. It's a lot of horny people out here. I knew I was the only one. That's why I did this. I did. Yeah, man. Some people scared to beep their horns. They keep giving me, you know what I'm saying, thumbs up. Hopefully I don't make nobody crash from looking at me. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully if y'all are in the car with y'all females, hopefully they go home and give y'all some. Yeah! This is perfect right here, man. This is great. Nobody horny? Out of all these cars, nobody horny. That's dumb shit. Yeah! I knew she was horny. Hopefully nobody crashed. You know what I'm saying? Food mode, look. Oh. I'm slacking. They real horny today. Huh? Come on. Yeah! Huh? Come on. Come on, huh? Yeah! Y'all people read real slow. Or is it just my sign is too, you know what I'm saying, too bad? Don't crash. Don't crash. Don't crash. Yeah! Oh, the police right there. We ain't creating no crimes. You know what I'm saying? If the police come, still keep recording because I can't go to jail from a sign. Hold it up to the cops. Hold it up to the cops. You know what I'm saying? We not scared of police.
I'm scared.
What can they do? He want to smile at me when I honk his horn. Saying? Here you go. You know what I'm saying? Here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You know what I'm saying? Have a nice day.
You too.
And that's what wraps up this video, man. Like, comment, subscribe. If you horny, man, comment down below and let me know if you horny. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, man. My Instagram will come up right here on the screen.